Hello everyone, welcome back. So I did something. I bought a bag from Amazon and I've been waiting for this bag for such a long time and I finally got it. All right, so this bag is a replica or inspiration to the Coach Brooklyn 28. Yeah, so I've got the one that's for the Coach Brooklyn, what do you call it? 23, but this one's a little bit bigger than that one because I checked in the store. And usually what I do is when I really want a bag, I'll buy something that looks somewhat similar to it. And if I use it so much, I'm like, perfect, I'll get that one. And like I have to wait for a month. That's the way I see it. Wait for a month. If you use it that much, then you might as well buy the one that, you always get. So I ended up getting it in the mail just now. Here it is. So let's do it. Let's see. Oh, I'm so excited. I waited for this for such a long time. Big box. Okay, now a box within another box. Okay, let's see. I also have food on the oven, so I have to be a little bit faster. Another box. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Okay. My husband's gonna murder me for all these boxes. But here's the other thing. Like I said, I always like to get replicas of more expensive bags. And if I see like I'm not touching it for a month, I'm not going anywhere near it, then I know buying the other bag is a bad idea because I'm not going to use it. So I might as well, get rid of it, sell it, whatever. But this one I've been eyeballing and I saw it in the store, the Coach one. So I was like, you know what? I think I might want this one. So yeah, okay, let me shut up. And more packaging, which I'm not complaining. Ready? Isn't it pretty? Oh my God. It's the babe, it's the mom version of this one into this one. It's so pretty. Look at that. Let's take it all out. And more jumps to come out. And it comes with the freaking cherry thingy. Which this one comes with the cherry one too, but I put it on my other bag, which is the Kate Spade one. I put it on there. So, alright, so let's open this up. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, sorry. Look at that. It's a nice weight to it. That's pretty. The red balls. And then obviously you hook it up here. That is so pretty. Let me take these off. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at the interior. It's got a few little things inside of it. And a nice little, I'm so bad at this. I'm sorry, guys. Nice little thingy just like that. I got a phone call, so I had to let that thing go. But anyway, how cute. Look at this. How pretty. Oh, I love it. And like I said, the bag I'm using now is the Kate Spade one, and it has this cherry from the other bag. And I will do a what's in my bag with this bag later. Thank you guys. So actually, should I do it now? Should I just stuff shit in here now? Because my daughter has a concert tonight, so let me just shove shit in here now. If you guys hear laughing and all, that's the kids. The rest of them are out with their dad. So I'll be carrying gum because I always carry gum. I got pills. What do you call it? Tea bag, not tea bags. Sugar, floss. Again, the kids are playing in the back, so please ignore that. Let me take this out because I don't know if this thing does anything. And then we have another one. I'm going to be switching over. No, I don't want to use this one anymore. I want to use this one. So I'll be switching over the coins there later. But this one, it's easier to find in my bag. It's all for all my change. Keys. I have extra contacts in here that I have to put, not contacts. I think I dropped the extra contacts in here, so I'll just do this. And I'll just put it over there. AirPods. This thingy. The mirror thing I made a video of the other day. Comes in great handy. Lotion. Alright, guys, listen, don't judge, but a shit ton of like those little sugar-free lifesavers. I love the smell of them and I like the way they taste and they're really good. Another contact, which I'm going to put in a little baggie. More candies. Lip gloss from Revlon Plumping. It doesn't look pretty at all. Another coin thing, which I'm going to put the other one, the stuff in there. More garbage. Purell. Son of a mother. Hand sanitizer. More candy. I'm sorry, guys. It's such a mess. Another mirror. This is a pretty one I got from Amazon as well. I'll link everything in my shop thing. Not my, what do you call it? I'm sorry for my throat. I'm just not feeling well. What do you call it? Not in my Amazon shop. It's going to, I mean, not in my TikTok shop. It's my Amazon shop. I got some like personal papers here, which obviously I'm not going to show. But I need to put these in that little pocket. God damn. Inside. You can tell I'm very excited. I love bags. I love them. I love them. I love them. All right, this middle pocket, I'm going in here to grab the rest of the stuff in there. I just hit myself in the jaw. Oh, feminine stuff, my debit card, which I've got to turn it like this. That, more feminine things I have. I have a little baggie there for that. This thing from Target. Everybody's saying it's a dupe for the Summer Fridays. I've never had it, so I don't use that. Perfume, a little spray thing perfume that I have. Cash, which I'm going to put into my wallet here. Throw my wallet inside. And tweezers. Which I think you know what? I'll use this Coach thingy to put all the like miscellaneous stuff in. Like these AirPods. What is it called? Contacts. Blade. Lip glosses. I don't mind if they're at the bottom because I kind of need them. These I need. This I need in there. The feminine stuff, if you know what I mean, is in there. If you're a woman, you're a woman, you know. Let's see. The change, I'll flip over to the other one once I grab it. Sanitizer. I have another sanitizer. Candy is fine. And my glasses, which I'll put in my thing once I'm done. And this fits in beautifully. So much more room to spare. Look at that. And that's all my stuff inside, and there's more to spare. That's insane. That's insane. And let me go grab the change thing. I like stuff like this because I can find it right away in my bag when I'm in stores. So I'll throw all my change in here. Okay. Put this in here. And that is it, I think. Yep, that is it. This bag is officially empty. There's nothing else in. Oh, Tylenol. Because I get headaches every now and then. Put this here as well. And you know what else I'm going to put in here? I'm going to put, where is it? My tea things, because I don't always grab for them all the time. And my prescriptions I'll put in here if they fit. May not fit. May fit. I don't know. Just enough to like get it in there. And that's it. This goes inside here. And again, look at all that room that I have in there. That's insane. Guys, this is not the Coach Brooklyn 28, but this is beautiful. And it comes very close. So I think this one's a little bit bigger. But it is beautiful, guys. I'm going to leave the links, like I said, to my link tree. And you guys can get everything from there. Thank you so much for watching.